How can Jinbao help you reclaim pricing power? 10 core advantages of our PVC cabinet board. To start, our PVC cabinet board is REACH and RoHS certified, 100% safe. It outperforms ordinary boards with harmful substances. Physically, Jinbao PVC cabinet boards boast over 80 Shore hardness and over 900 N screw holding strength, solving the loose screw holes of ordinary boards. With over 95% closed cell rate, our PVC cabinet board ensures dimensional stability, solving the swelling issue of ordinary boards. Our PVC cabinet board is mold-resistant and antibacterial, safer than ordinary boards. With a mirror-smooth surface, our PVC cabinet board bonds films perfectly without sanding, avoiding the peeling issue of ordinary boards. Our 100% virgin PVC cabinet board has over 90 whiteness, solving the yellowing of ordinary boards using recycled materials. We also apply a heavy-duty protective film to our PVC cabinet board, effectively preventing the scratching issues common in ordinary boards with thin films. Backed by CE, ISO 9001, REACH, RoHS, and SGS certifications, Jinbao PVC cabinet board truly exceeds international standards. Through strict raw material management, world-class equipment, and an accountable traceability system, we ensure the ultimate stability of our PVC cabinet board, from source to finish.